Hi everyone! This week I will show you how to practice on the past simple. I'll show you how to form the past simple and when to use it. It's good to know that there are regular and irregular verbs. I will post all the irregular verbs on the website. Look at these sentences. I walked to school yesterday. He paid for dinner last week. They were both in the past simple tense. For the regular verbs, the main rule is verb plus ed. For example, I kicked the ball. You closed the door. He wiped the table. She cooked dinner. It rained yesterday. And for the plural forms, we use the same rule. We walked to school. You watched the tennis match. They marked the tests. You need to be careful with verbs ending in an E. Here the rule is verb plus D. For example, I lived here in 2012. He closed the window. They wiped the floor. Another one are the verbs ending in Y. You have to be careful, especially when they are preceded by a consonant, such as spy, envy, and study. The consonants are P, V, and D. The Y becomes an I. For example, he spied on his neighbors. We envied her cousin, and they studied a lot. All the irregular verbs have a unique past simple form, which I will post on the website as I said before. For example, I built that shed last year. To build is the infinitive. She taught English in the 1990s. To teach is the infinitive. And we ran the marathon in 2012. To run is the infinitive. When we form a question, for all the verbs, the regular and the irregular ones, we use the past simple of to do, which is did, plus the verb. For example, did she talk to him this morning? Did you ride your bicycle yesterday? And did they work on the farm last year? We can also use a negative form. For all verbs, this is the same rule. You use the past simple of to do, which is did, plus not, we can make this didn't, plus the verb. For example, I didn't want to come over last night. We didn't walk to school this morning, and they didn't listen to the radio yesterday. We use the past simple for all things that happened at a specific time in the past. We can use words like, for example, yesterday, this morning, in 2009, and so on. He left for New York yesterday. We ate our breakfast this morning, and they got married in 2009. We also use the past simple in questions after when. When did you buy the t-shirt? When did she graduate from high school? This was a lesson on the past simple. Thank you very much and good luck with the exercises.